winds are picking up. Sun's gone under the clouds. It's all gray over there. Was sunny just a couple minutes ago. There's still a remaining of the blue sky. It's now going bye-bye. I haven't checked the radar yet. Don't know what's going on. But just finished making my potato salad, and I put rice in with the chicken with some seasonings, and it's gonna be like a rice pasta. No, not a rice chicken medley type of a thing. And I haven't put any vegetables in it yet. Might think about doing that, but for right now I'm just too pooped from everything else. So I thought I'd come out here and enjoy the sun, but now it's gone. So I'm gonna check the radar. And wind's picking up. Ooh, wow. Really windy. Cold front coming through. Hopefully it won't be bad at work tomorrow, but we open up on Monday to the public, so yep, mask wearing 100%, and hopefully I won't have issues, but we'll see. I don't know. Hopefully I can stay, because it's mandatory to wear a mask, and if I can't, I don't know. It's gonna be a problem. But even though the doctor said I shouldn't have to because of my conditions, but can't get a doctor's note, and so with my allergies and all that, so I'll just put essential oils on my mask and see how I do. Alright, love, light, and blessings to everybody. I hope you're having a great day. It's been one heck of a week so far. Yeah. Alright. Breeze is actually kind of warm though, it's nice. Alright, love, light, and blessings everybody. Stay safe. Crazy time in the world right now. Crazy, crazy time in the world. Alright. Bye.